All right, guys, here we go. We have the miniature 12-cylinder V12 engine generated. This is the regular version. This is already scaled down. This is a 3/4 scale, and this right here is a half scale of the full size version. And as you can see, look at the size differences. And this is what we're working with right here. I did run into some issues making this thing, as you can see right here. So this is the first attempt right here. And I assembled every single part. But as I got to the last part, I realized one of the connecting rods failed on me. I forgot which one it's on, but one of the connecting rods failed and I had to stop right here because there was no point of continuing, even though this thing was almost done. So then I started over, finally made it, and this is how it turned out. This is how it turned out. Significantly less friction than this one. After the connecting rod failed on here, I went back and designed a stronger connecting rod for this one right here. Yeah, man, this is the miniature V12 engine. I won't waste no more you guys' time. Let's hook this thing up to the air compressor and see what happens. All right, guys, we got this thing hooked up to the air compressor. Let's go. Pretty smooth, pretty smooth. Everything is running good. I think the retainer is working. Gotta say, it actually has more torque than you expect. All right, guys, that is the V12. The V12, it runs smooth. You know, it's small, it's handheld. Let me actually take it off the engine stand for you guys. Oh my gosh, it's on there. Ah. And here we go. A V12 engine that fits in your hand. Check this out, man. You can't beat it. Never seen before. Full exhaust and everything. Let's give it a run. What's going on? Hold up, let's turn the pressure up. Hey, if you ever seen a V12 engine that fits in the palm of your hand, please let me know in the comment section down below, because I have it. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, y'all, let me know if you ever seen a V12 engine, full exhaust and everything, the whole setup. If you ever seen one that fits in your hand, that works just like this, let me know. Air engine or a gasoline engine, just let me know. I want to see it. All right, guys, that was the miniature V12 engine in action, running on the air compressor at about maybe 60, 70 PSI. A lot of upgrades I could do to this thing. This is the worst performance this thing has put out so far. And it can always get better, and it always does. But like always, guys, if this is your first time looking at my channel, make sure you subscribe to this super rare content. Make sure you follow me on Maker World. I got free models up there. And make sure you leave a like on this video. I'm out.